to organize meetings of this kind that encourage people, both professors and students, to share ideas and to talk about common global challenges, but with particular focus on specific regions. So today we have this specific focus on South America, but many challenges are very similar to this met here in Poland.
It's an incredible experience. We get to know each other. We have some words. We discuss some programs of maybe exchanging, visiting. So it's a very good event. And also it's great because we get to share with people, get new friends and new contacts, economic and academic contacts.
For me, it's a really good time to exchange experience, research projects, and talk about my research projects. I congratulate to University of Economics in Katowice to promote this event. I believe it's very interesting and important to our countries.